Hi everyone, it's Sony71 with another gaming video, and today's video is one that is pretty ironic really, because it is Friday the 13th today and the game itself is Friday the 13th. It was released back in 1985 by Domark, but it's one of those games I never took to at that time. Again, I was probably only about 14 when I first played it, but I just found it a little bit tedious at the time because nothing much happens in it. I know that sounds bad because I'm going to be playing this game for you guys shortly, but I'm hoping when I play it again on the emulator on the Commodore 64, I'm hoping that it might change my opinions on it. I don't know, but yeah, it's just one, when you're playing it, you just seem to be running around aimlessly without really doing much. Now, the game itself, you start off where I think there's 5, possibly 6 characters in the game. Obviously you've got Jason Voorhees in this game as well, and the whole aim of the game is to protect your other camp mates, if you will. And to do that, you've got to find, if I remember, oh God, I'm going back, but I think you have to find some kind of cross, and you place that cross in a room or in a building. And what you've got to do then, you've got to run around and you've got to tell the other camp mates where the cross is. And it's like a safety room, if you will, like a safety net. Once they're in that room, I think they are safe. Now, you're going to have to bear with me, guys. I'm saying the words I think because it's that long ago since I played it. I'm not 100% sure what I'm supposed to do, but these are the things I do remember. Now, there's plenty of items and objects in this game that you can pick up to kill Jason Voorhees. You know, you've got your chainsaw, you've got your pitchfork, I think you've got axes, you've got daggers that you can throw. There's a few other things. But yeah, the whole aim of the game is to keep your campmates safe, and obviously when you encounter Jason, you're supposed to kill him. Now, the twist on the game is Jason Voorhees could also be one of the campmates in disguise. And I think, and again I'm using the word I think, you've got to run into or touch the campmates, and there's a little display on the bottom left of the screen, and if the hair starts to stand up, the more scared they are. And the whole aim of the game is to use little clues like that to try and hunt down Jason Voorhees. Like I said, guys, it's one of those games that at the time I found a bit boring. You're just running around aimlessly for most of the time. Now, it's one game I never did complete because of that reason. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to complete it for you guys right here, right now. I'm just going to show you the basics of what it was all about. And then you can make your own conclusions up. So without further ado, I'm going to put it on now, and then yeah, you can watch for yourselves and decide for yourselves whether you like this game or not. So here we go, Friday the 13th. Now, like I said, guys, you're going to have to bear with me because it's been a while since I played this. So, you and 9 friends, not 6. You and 9 friends are spending this summer holidays at Crystal Lake Holiday Camp, miles away from civilization, unaware that Jason Voorhees has a filthy grotto close to the camp. At midnight on the first day, while unpacking, you notice a blood-stained mask with horror. And with horror, you realise that Jason is waiting. Terrified, you must protect your friends from the marauding Jason and finally dispose of him before he disposes of you. Right, so again, there's 5 characters. Jerry King, Amanda Baxter, Brian Bourne, is it? Stuart Palmer, Wendy Watson. Right, here we go. Can you find and kill Jason before he can kill you? Jerry King. So we start off as Jerry King. Jerry has a taste for adventure. He would never refuse to help anyone and is a natural leader. He uses his combination of strength and intelligence with great success. But what is his hidden weakness? Press fire button. Right, here we go. What am I doing? What are the keys? A left, S right. Alright, and that. Right, so I've got to find, as I said, guys, some kind of cross. I've got no weapon. I don't know what cross is. And I have to say, the one thing about this game was the actual music, the background music. So annoying. Right, some kind of axe, spacebar. Oh, hang on, I've just thrown it. Oh, and the other thing I forgot to mention, guys, at the bottom of the screen, bottom middle, you will see that Jason's mask slowly starts to appear. I don't know if that means that Jason's about to attack. I'm not too sure. Oh, hang on, you change this to an X. Yeah, I don't know if it means he's going to attack or what. Or he dies, I'm not sure. But for now, guys, I need to find where this cross is. And I thought it would have been in the church. Oh, no, 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 somebody's dead. He's killed somebody. The hell? Oh, no, 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 no. That means somebody's dead in this room, doesn't it? It does. So he's killed somebody in this room. Right, hang on. I don't think it's him. I'm trying to kill somebody there, guys. I don't even know if he's Jason or not. Oh, there he is. Oh, I just killed somebody. Where's he gone? Where's he gone? So 2 people have been killed and I've not looked after them. Where's the cross gone? Three people killed. I'm not doing very good at this, guys. Oh, truth be told. So there's your pitchfork. Oh, there. Somebody dead. I tell you what, he's quick on the ball though, isn't he? He's killed 3 already. And I've done jack shit to save them. Yeah, Jason wears black in this game, if you notice. No hockey mask. There he is. I can't even... Trying to kill Jason. Move! I think he's killed me. He killed me. Oh dear, you seem to have lost your head. What a shame. Ha ha ha. Thanks for that. That is the game though. I'll do it again. We'll have another go because I was pathetic at that. Right, let's start again. I have to say though, guys, I can't get used to these keys. But you saw the fact there that Jason was indeed... Oh, I can't go through there. So you saw the fact that Jason is in disguise. So basically, I've got to find a weapon. Let's see if I can find a weapon down here. Alright, I've got an axe. Go back out. So Jason's mask is now appearing. Where is everyone? Ah, there's one. I don't think that were all. God, I'm attacking my own people here. But you can see what I mean, can't you guys, about the effects, the overall way it looks, the feel of it, the annoying background music. I'm still not convinced that this was a good game, even for its time. But it's what it is, I suppose. And I suppose I could be being a bit extreme. Because you got to think, at the time, the graphics, computers could only do what they could do based on the capabilities, couldn't they? A bit like today's games. You know, I mean, I suppose they can only do what they can do. I'm only attacking these guys just to see if they are Jason in disguise. I've not found the cross. Oh, there he is. I can't get it. I killed him. Jason is dead, but for how long? 9 people, bonus, 9,000 points, 9 people saved. So now I play the role of Wendy, one of the other campmates. Wendy is a shy girl who finds life quiet. Start again. Wendy is a shy girl who finds life quiet. So we've started the game again, guys, with Wendy Watson. And Wendy is a shy girl who finds life quite a struggle. Always depressed, she has earned her nickname of Waterworks Wendy. Over the years, her parents sent her to the camp to meet people. Press fire. So we start again. So it's the same routine, guys, but with a different character this time. Ah, there's the cross. So basically, we'll put it here. And that's your safe room. So there you go. So that one's safe. That's safe, that person. Got to find a weapon now though. I think that could be Jason. Let me have a wander around. And if it was Jason, I've lost them. Where are they? Oh, a bit of a glitch there. I've run into the back of the house. Right, okay, so that's not Jason. On the move. I'll just run right through the house there, a bit of a glitch. So as you can tell, guys, there is some flaws with this game. I think she's going to the church, isn't she? There you go. Now then, where am I going now? Where am I going now? There's another one. I think that could be Jace. What do you think? Oh, you tricked me there. Let's see if they're going. So which one's Jason though? Someone's just been tubbed. Oh no. So someone's been killed, but not in the church. Let's have a look round, see if we can find them. So that's what I mean, guys, about sometimes just run around aimlessly looking for who you think Jason is. There he is. I think we did it. Oh, we didn't. Where is he? Keep pressing wrong keys. There you go. Got him again. Boom. So he's dead again. So there we go again, guys, and we play the role of Amanda Baxter. So it's just the same routine over and over, guys, until you've killed him X amount of times. I think it could be 5 times. I'm not going to carry on, guys, because you've seen how it works now, and I don't want this video to be too long. But that is Friday the 13th, again by Domark. It's a mid-80s game, and like I said, you've seen for yourself, guys, just how monotonous it can be. There's not really too much involved in it. Yeah, I still can't feel it like you know. I was like that back in the 80s. My opinions haven't really changed much, but that is Friday the 13th. There's not many games based on the actual movie franchise, if I'm being honest. I think one came out for the NES, is it? The NES model, in the 90s. And from what I've seen, there is a new game in development now for the PC, or the Xbox One and the PlayStation 4. It looks absolutely superb. The new game looks really, really well. It looks like a proper modern day, next gen horror game. And I can't wait for that. Once that is released, I'm going to be buying it. But there's not many games to choose from when it comes to Friday the 13th. But that is the original from 1985, I think it was, by Domark. Tell me what you thought of this video, guys. Did you play this game when it came out? If so, comment down below. As always, comment down below what games you'd like to see me play next. I have got a couple of suggestions from you guys, which I will be playing over the next few days, so keep an eye out for those videos. But just please keep commenting. Tell me what your favourite games were from the 80s, and I will play them. But in the meantime, guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Take care and look after yourselves.